Are you ready?
Guys,
Let's go.
Kyrie in the water.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Del Pet family. The Del Pet family. The Del Pet family. The Del Pet family. The Del Pet family.
Hey guys, look what I'm going. We're on the road again. So we got Jaden right here, riding shotgun. And then we got Daddy right here.
Walk on.
Daddy Daddy.
Yeah, we're on the north-south highway, you know?
Yeah.
We're going on a little family excursion.
Yep.
A little trip.
Yep. Well, I'll tell you, people say we have been wanting to go out of town. Like, my side of family want to go to town long time now. We are saying, yo, when we are going to do it, which part we are going, and we've just been chatting away. So, we finally are doing it today. And, yeah, should be a good day. A long time we don't go out of town, right, babes?
You want a good while, we don't make no trip.
A good one, my age and not come down them side there. Like, we used to be down this side so often together, you know? Jaden wants you guys to see it. Out of town, and should be a good day, so come along with us, alright?
Baby, what Kyrie are going with?
Kyrie around here so asleep. Guys, what tell me where Kyrie got to be able to tell the people that where Kyrie do it last night.
Hey guys, just interrupting our video for a brief minute just to tell you about a website called Lux Styles. They reached out to me and they sent me these Yeezy boots. They're really high quality replicas, guys. Link will be in the description. Alright, so they reached out to me. I told them my size and what I wanted, right? And they sent them over. This is it. Really nice. They're really nice. They fit very comfortably. Alright. So link in the description. Kyrie just do the Kyrie wake up about 3 o'clock, guys. And Kyrie up till daylight. The man
no
up
joke.
till daylight. Jeez.
The man halfway up in the night or eating and walking with him in the dark. And the first
Me try everything. I want me look at him through the dark. They see the man I am bright. And steer for me. Yo, we say yo, Kyrie does not go sleep.
That did 6 or 5 o'clock.
About 6 o'clock. Yeah, I think about 6 o'clock.
Yeah, like 6 o'clock he was still up.
Yeah.
Yo, with the rough. But
They know him knock out now. Film time to sleep now this.
good day. He must sleep now.
Years we not go to them places, you know.
Yeah, it's been years.
We never come together before,
No, we've never
babe.
been together.
Yeah.
I was here. I came here a couple times as a child.
Yeah. It's definitely Kyrie's first time, that's for sure.
Definitely Kyrie's first time.
Yeah.
We're there, guys. So we're in the parking lot. Get Kyrie ready Jaden can't wait to have some moment with Kai.
Look at what talking him edited.
Hey, Patroen, Jaden's brother. I make you.
Jaden, they want to take with your brother?
Jaden jealous?
Jaden, she only want to take him for today. How is that, Jaden? Jaden, how is that?
So cute.
Jaden jealous about it, no? Jaden, you have to share whether you like it or not.
Good.
And him love the man, you know what him first. So what push it?
Alright, put him out without pushing, yeah.
Stop kissing.
Alright.
Hey guys, so we are here, going in. At these two. Malika is getting so big. A long time we not come at them place, you know. Wow. We haven't been to the beach, beach for a good while. We are here, guys. The place looks so different though. It looks so much different from what I remember it to be. But then again, it was years. I haven't been to Dunn in years. I'll show you guys this little play area right here. Great area for the kids to come and play. That's the entrance right there. Dunn go on with things, people. Can't wait to get into everything, you know. Boy, Kyrie can't even enjoy enough for them something, yeah. We are trying putting foot in the water though. So let's see how that goes today, right? We're gonna catch his first reaction to seeing and being in the big ocean. Alright? Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah. So we're making the trek, guys. So we'll go down to the falls. The hot day. Right? Hot day.
Yep.
So Kyrie there.
Hey people, look.
Hey fam.
This is our fussy bear. And Jaden.
Yeah.
Should have seen it, it's just on it, but him to Jaden party. He's like, yeah, you wanna play? You wanna play? That's his expression, you know.
Yeah. I haven't been in this place in years.
Yeah.
The place just new to me. I don't know where to walk, I don't know where to go.
It was new, man.
Yeah. But look at them do some whole heap of renovation and thing though. So we're almost there, guys.
A long walk down.
Yeah. Hey, Jay, ready?
Yes.
Oh, you walk so stocious. So bossy. Alright, so where we are get?
We need to find somewhere to can go.
Hey guys, we're out here, guys.
Thank you.
Alright. You guys ready for the water, you know?
Yeah, but on YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright, 20%. You know the new YouTuber there? What am I again? Hey guys, what's up? This is my YouTube channel. I know we're up over there again. Over there again.
Don't do over there.
Don't do over there. Big up yourself.
Yeah. Sample thing, man. Hey guys.
Hey, no one can go between Jaden and him brother, you know.
Yeah, man.
A few days came between and he's making up for it.
Yeah, so there guys. We're going to the water. I've been to the beach in a minute. Yeah man. Water look nice. Water really looks nice. Okay, you ready for the water now? You ready for the water? The first day in the water. First day at the beach.
Hey, look at Siguro. Hey.
Hey. Yeah. Come now. Are you afraid of water? Eh? Oh, watch out. Watch out, watch out. Watch out. We're gonna be here this morning. There's one water. Hey. Why don't we? Huh? What thing? Where? At the reef, man. Yeah, the rocks out there, yeah. Oh my God. You go on here? You go on.
Guys, you have to watch them kids here. Them kids here are fearless. They don't learn them danger.
They don't know them danger. No,
yes,
sir.
you have to watch them.
Already you can't swim. Watch out. You can't swim? It's a nice day.
Yeah, it is.
The sun not feel so hot.
Yeah, the sun is not hot and the water.
And the water nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Water nice. Put up your foot now.
Well, you know, I'm just so damn scared of the water. Oh, God.
I'll cover this, you know.
Hey, people.
I really cover this.
My man carry go a place, you know. And have
which
a palm boat or rock boat, you know, say do a bridge on there.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hey, Molly.
Look at Malaika. Hey, Malaika. It's a good. She has been doing swimming lessons, guys, but boy, she not there yet, but she's sure to say pro, you know. Look at this.
Hi, are you awake?
Yep.
That look nice though.
Finish, baby.
Okay, you ready?
Guys,
let's go.
carrying the water. This guy is first of all, nothing. Just here, just out in the sun.
Alright.
Guys, Kai loves bath time, you know. Kai loves bath time, you know, so.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. See me can put them in the water. See me can put them. Hi Boogie. Hi Kai Kai. Kai Kai has been a grumpy pants today. Kai Kai is a little grumpy pants today.
That's it. Alright. Woo!
Yes.
Oh. Alright. Wait up the baby. Wait up the baby. Is it in there?
What's your auntie has to dip him?
Eh?
No sir.
What's
She
that?
says I must dip him. No sir. We expect no more shalika.
What's she there?
So what is so?
I said, dip him.
Oh God.
God.
We can't dip him. Babe, look here.
Huh?
Look. Look now?
Hello. Hi. Hi.
How you like your first time at the beach? Huh? How was your first time at the beach? You know, a run to, you know? Osha, next time go in the water with me, okay? Go in the water with Auntie.
Guys, we're gonna try to go on the falls, you know. Wish we luck. Let's see how far we can reach. Oh, here we go. Yeah, man, it's cool. Wow. Cool. See it, guys. See it, here we go. Over. Jaden, careful. The guys, water cold and Jaden brave. So what you say now?
Guys, I lost my shoe.
But the girl caught it, eh? Yeah. Careful, careful. A really fun day, guys. Sister Jaden, Kyrie not ready for climb falls yet. Kyrie not ready for climb falls yet. Yeah, the water cold bad. Cold, man. Look like it stop press now. Woo!
Look up, boys. How y'all doing? There's the other one. What you doing?